before you start any workout, you want to definitely start by warming up with dynamic stretches. The first stretch you'll see is the forward leg swing. You're going to do 10 to 12 of each stretch, getting those muscles nice and warmed up to full range of motion. You're going to swing those legs wide and open to get those hip flexors open, get them nice and loose. Then you're going to take those arms and scoop them down, hitting those hamstrings. These exercises are very, very beginner friendly. The key to dynamic stretching is doing a beginner set of exercises for the muscle groups that you're going to be working. Here you're seeing me work out my squats. You're going to hit 10 or 12 of these to get those legs and glutes nice and warmed up. Just some quick cues. You want to make sure that you're pushing down on your heels, that your knees are not going over those toes, and that chest is up and you're not leaning forward. If you're not doing so already, this is a great time to pause and subscribe to my channel. Next, we're going to warm up our neck by doing some neck rolls back and forth each side. Then you want to get those arms nice and warmed up, shoulders nice and warmed up, doing arm swings and arm circles both directions. I prefer to do at least 10 to 12 each direction. We're going to end with some reverse lunges. Quick cues, make sure that you're engaging that core, you're pushing through that front heel, and you're keeping your balance. Once you're nice and warmed up, you're ready for that workout. Peace.